So, hello everyone. In this lesson, we're gonna try to pronounce some words, and today we'll start with numbers. So, let's start. I'll write the letter and word and try to pronounce the word. So, the first is so this is a vowel and this is a consonant. This vowel is called A, like A sounding, and this is K. So, unaspirated K. So, it becomes A Okay. Ek. So you don't actually spell the a. The k is k plus a. So whenever the ending of a word has a sounding, you don't actually say the a sounding in Hindi. So it goes like ek, ek, ek. So ek. We don't say that. We say ek, ek, ek. Okay. So the first number is 8. So 8 means 4, 1. Okay. So we'll go to the second one now. So the second one is, try to pronounce it. So this is a dental the, right? And this is unaspirated, right? So the, and the barakhadi is o barakhadi, right? So this is called as do. Do means 2. So we learned ek, do. Let's learn 3. Okay? Okay, try to pronounce this word. So the first letter is dental the, and it's unaspirated. And it has a E matra. So E barakadi. So it becomes teen. And nasal no. So teen. Okay? Teen means 3. Next one. So this is palatal ch, and it has a sounding. So a matra. And this one is r. So it will become cha r, char. And r is little rolling. Char. So char is nothing but 4. Okay, let's go to the next one. So you can see labial p, and it's unaspirated. So p, and you can see a barakadi. So a matra, so it will come pa, and you can also see something like this, and this is nothing but nasal. So it nasalized the consonant, so it's pa, and this is ch, palatal ch, unaspirated. Okay, so this is nothing but panch. And sometimes this Chandra Bindu is also denoted as N sounding. So nasal N. So pancha, pancha. Okay. So sixth one. So this is aspirated ch. Aspirated ch plus h. So it becomes ch h. But also you can say it as aspirated ch plus a matra. So it becomes che. So you can say it either way. So it depends upon the region where like chah is said and where che is said. So chah is mostly said in like books, and che is like mostly used in a conversational type of thing. So next one. So next one is so plus a matra. So it becomes sa and dental. It's dental the unaspirated. So it becomes sa sa. Okay? So it's nothing but 7. This is 6. This is 5. Punch. Next one. So the first is a vowel and the second is a consonant. So first one you already know, this is a. So a vowel and th. Th is rectoflex plus it's aspirated as well. So it's th. A th. A th. So a th is 8. ठीक है. Let's go to the next one. Next one is, so this is nasal n, and n has a barkadi of ow sound. So it's an ow matra. So it becomes now. ठीक है? But so now is nothing but 9. Let's go to the next one. So next one is, so this one is dental do, and this one is so. So it becomes thus. Thus. So thus is nothing but 10. ठीक है? So I'll pronounce all the words once again. So it's एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छह और छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. ठीक है? I hope you'll practice well. See you in the next one.